Thank you. International Society of Pediatric Oncology.
The Slovak Republic's proposal to map childhood cancer services globally elicited support from 12 member states at the 152nd WHO Executive Board meeting. Childhood cancers represent a high-need group of diseases in the oncology and broader NCD landscape. The WHO Global Initiative for Childhood Cancer is a key catalyst for action across low and middle-income countries. Incorporating childhood cancer as a best buy in the NCD Global Action Plan reinforces the need for further concerted efforts. Member state engagement is crucial for mapping childhood cancer services and establishing the evidence base for actions that advance care in a strategic and cost-effective manner. The Single United Professional Society in Paediatric Oncology, SIOP, and its members offer wide-ranging expertise to support global mapping of childhood cancer services. Thank you.
Thank you. Medicus Mundi International.